Central California until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Poplar Cotton Center, or about 11 miles southwest of Porterville, moving to the east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Terra Bell around 3:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows,